The market has changed dramatically since the September 2023 release of the Apple Watch Ultra 2, particularly with the introduction of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, which has become a strong competitor to the Apple Watch Ultra series and has earned a spot among the best smartwatches on the market. With the Apple event on September 9th quickly approaching, there is a great deal of anticipation regarding what the new Apple Watch Ultra 3 will have to offer. We will soon find out whether the circulating rumors and leaks are accurate. Though nothing is official, the watchOS 11 revelations made at WWDC 2024 have given us some ideas about what to anticipate from the Apple Watch Ultra 3. We've compiled all the leaks and rumors we could find about the gadget in one place, along with a wish list of features and improvements we want to see in the next iteration. There is still a lot of room for development in the next edition of the Apple Watch Ultra 2, which was named the show's clear winner. Although we would want to say that the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is going to be a revolutionary improvement over its predecessor, the truth is that there may not be much of a difference between it and the current model. Reliable sources suggest that the internal components and design of the third-generation version will mostly be similar to those of the second generation. Fans of the Apple Watch Ultra 2 will be delighted by this, but those hoping for a significant redesign in 2024 may be disappointed. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is powered by the Apple S9 processor, which is an improvement over the Apple S8 chip used in the 2022 versions. A possible improvement under discussion is swapping out the current OLED display with a micro-LED display. This modification may lead to a display that is both brighter and more energy efficient, which would be beneficial. Though the iPhone and iPad may also use this technology, it is still unclear whether Apple product will be the first to have a micro-LED screen. The situation feels a little lackluster, especially with rumors of design changes for the Apple Watch 10 or possibly the Apple Watch X, as recent reports suggest that micro-LED may not be ready for the upcoming September event. This means we might have to wait until the Apple Watch Ultra 4 to see it featured in an Apple smartwatch. Rather than releasing big upgrades for both watches at once, it seems like Apple may be saving the big improvements for the Apple Watch Ultra until 2025. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.